Kitiar bakam phylla bakin nyotli kiri kiwanra hak International Shillong Trade Fair kala Khring bon bha ya kipat ba kejala ki baju sotonat benet syakite ki yo bari ki baju long manau snem hamadan yor ngap lai mkhra menta ka kenti kiri ki bawan sim benta ki kintup ya kari Turkey Afghanistan Iran Thailand Lebanon Ghana bat Egypt banalor kata ki donru de ki photeli Kijala nakari India ki bapinpo lang ya katay kayo bari. Habapay siya ka Turkey kanigari kalawalam ya ki jingbam ki pasyam ha ki bakot ki baklava. Nang ta na Egypt pat ki wanra ya kitiar ki balongkat kum ka culture jung ki kamtam kitiar bapinwandur kum ki permit bat kiwe. Nang ta ka Lebanon kum ju ka Iran ki walam ya kitiar kum ki jingdeng ba itenat bat kiwe ki mar. Ka Ghana pat kawalam ya kitiar tenrai kamtam kiste durkhmat baju penongkam da kiriu hindai ha kapotma. Haba phai pat sa ka Afghanistan kani kari kalawanra da kijingbam thiang baharukom kamtam kiso balathat terkhong. Kat ba ka Thailand pat kawanra da kitiar bunjat kibede ba kisamla bat kilong kume kumju ru na ka benda ki hebret. Kani ka yo yede yethiet ka balas dang na ru ka santarik mendau benai kan sakut no ha ka afn ru tarik mendau benai. Nakaliang u Vice President ka International Shillong Trade Fair u Rajesh Das kumju ru General Secretary ka Shillong Trade Fair u Mit Das kilayet hu baka jingwan jong kipat ba siya kani ka yo bari kalong ka basang shit ba na do ka basdang.
Shillong Trade Fair, this is the 23rd year, and Shillong Trade Fair is always very popular among not only among Shillongites but from across Meghalaya. People from the nearby Shillong also comes to visit the fair. So it's a very popular fair. This year also the response is very good. 7 countries is, it's quite big for a place like Northeast India, and this is the first time so many countries have come to Meghalaya, to Shillong Trade Fair. Yesterday they were greeted by the students organization KSU. They were also being greeted by other prominent organizations of from Meghalaya, from Shillong. So this time Lebanon is the partner country. They have come for the first time to Northeast India. Then there is Egypt, then Turkey is there, Thailand is there, Iran is there, Ghana is there. And apart from these foreign countries, we have participants from across the country. There are many attractive products which have come here, so I think people will be very happy. The fair will be finishing on 26th of March, so we have another 4 days left. So I request everyone to come and visit the fair and see the beautiful display of products. There are very popular food dishes which are available, and apart from that, on the last day there will be a lottery on entry tickets. The first prize is 1 lakh, second prize is 50,000, third prize is 25,000. So it's very exciting, and this year also we have tried to bring varieties in the fair, and as far as the response that we have received from the participants at the stall, they said they are very happy and people are also happy. It takes a lot of effort, and we are in fact thankful to the government of Meghalaya for supporting us, and the entire fair is actually supervised by the Dorbar Snong Laimukra. So it is with their help we succeed in bringing so many countries, and as I have already told you, 7 numbers of countries is quite a big number. I mean, nowhere in Northeast India so many countries have participated except Guwahati Trade Fair, which is also organized by us. Guwahati Trade Fair will be organized for the 30 years. This fair is the second oldest fair of Northeast India, Shillong Trade Fair. So foreign countries, the 7 foreign countries who have come to Shillong this time, I personally feel it's a big success for us. Even in Calcutta Trade Fair, so many foreign countries doesn't take place. Well, one very important thing is that a lot of local youth, that Khasi youth, boys and girls, takes part in this fair. They work with us. If you see, the entire workforce is local, the local boys and girls. And our main objective is to promote local entrepreneurs. We give free stalls to many startups from Meghalaya, many local entrepreneurs from Meghalaya. My message is that please come. I would request the local youth, especially the young boys and girls, to come, join us, and also visit the fair, learn from the foreign participants. This is a great platform, and you'll be happy to know that on every working day when the schools are open, hundreds of school children visit this fair. They interact with the foreign participants, they interact with the participants that have come from other parts of the country, I think, which is a great lesson for all of them. So my message for the people of Meghalaya is that unless you come and interact with the foreign participants who are here for the last 20 days, I mean, there will not be exposure. This is a kind of gateway to Southeast Asian countries. So my message, please come. Another 4 days are left. Interact with the foreign participants and also business people from other parts of the country. We are there to help you. We are there to support you. So all the best. Please come and join our effort, and also visit the different pavilions and stalls that we are having in Shillong Trade Fair, 23rd International Shillong Trade Fair, which is there till 26th of March. Thank you.